Today I'm going to cover on how to create a Shopify store. Shopify offer us to create a website and allow us to use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage our products. Using this service, we can get access to easy to use admin panel where you can add products, process orders, and enter store data. Okay, to sign up, you need to head to shopify.com and enter your email address, and password. And then give your store a name, and for my demo store, I will name it Echo Stock and Pack. So I already have sign up here. And then the next will be for adding an address. So Shopify can calculate sales tax and payments. When you're done, you can start customizing your design. So here, just click the customize theme, then choose the perfect theme for your store. So for me, I'll choose this one, the debut, because it's clean, simple, and has plenty of room for images. So actually, I have already set up my account and theme for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on how to add your first product. So navigate back to your dashboard and click add product. Enter the name and description of your first product. Okay, so then just a tip, don't skip the product description because a good description is essential if you want to convince customers to buy your goods. So choose your words carefully and make the product stand out. And then upload stunning images of the product. Images can make or break your sales rate. Great photos are key to convincing customers to buy from you, so choose them carefully. In here, set your price and inventory. So I will input, say, let's say the price is 300 and the cost per item is 350. Just check the charge tax on this product. Okay, take the charge taxes back. Shopify will automatically add the correct sales tax based on your location, and then enter an SKU or stock keeping unit. Let's say this one is the the SKU, which is simply a number to identify each product and enter the products you have available. This is important because Shopify will track your product inventory. This way, Shopify tracks how many products have been sold and how many are left. So, say you have unavailable of 50 items, and then for the shipping section, uh, enter the enter the product way for shipping purposes. If you uncheck the box of this is a physical product, customers won't enter their shipping address or choose a shipping method when buying this product. Shopify will attempt to calculate a rough shipping price based on the customer's location and the weight of your product. Let's see. So of course, choose the Philippines where the product is manufactured, and then add variants for um, size, color, etc. If your product comes with different options like different sizes and colors, Shopify will handle this for you. Just tell it what sizes, colors, or fabrics are available for each product. Let's see. Example, I have a small, medium, large for the sizes, and you can add another option for colors. Let's say blue. Okay. Then once you're done, just hit the save button and your product is automatically added to your storefront. And repeat the process for each product you're selling. Okay, and the last one is to add your payment mechanism so you can make money. Under settings and payment providers, or click the payment providers. Shopify makes easy to navigate settings for payment, but the simplest option is PayPal, but you can also choose any payment providers for easy transaction. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.